welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to test something. Either they are acid or either they are base. Let's see. I'm going to test these things with the help of litmus papers. I have two types of litmus papers. One is blue, another one is red. Litmus paper are those which can tell whether the thing is acid or either it is base. If you use red litmus paper in base, it turns blue. If you use blue litmus paper in acid, it turns red. So let's start testing. But first, I'm going to use blue litmus paper. So first I'm going to use lemon. So see, turned red. This means that this is an acid, so it turned into red. We confirm by using a red one. Nothing happened. Red doesn't turn blue in acid. That means lemon has acid in it. This is having baking soda, so we'll test it here. Turned blue. Nothing happened. That means baking soda has base in it. Nothing happened on red litmus paper. Let us test on blue. It turned red, I think. That means it is having base. Now let's test this. Now let's test it with this. Nothing happened on blue. By using the red one. Means my face wash is neutral. Now I'm going to test citric acid. Now let's test it on this. It turned red. It turned red. Nothing happened on red. Therefore, citric acid has acid in it. Oh, it turned red. Now let's use this. Nothing happened on litmus red one. Acid reacts on blue litmus paper. Let's test our last thing, water. It's neutral. It's neutral. So guys, this was our experiment class of today. Hope you like it. Bye.